how to install Git Bash on your Windows laptop. Open a browser and type bash download. Click on this first option, and for Windows you can click on Windows. Depending on the configuration of your laptop, you can select either 32 or 64. Mine is 64-bit, so I'll be clicking on 64-bit Windows setup. So as soon as it is downloaded, it will be saved here. You have to install it. So you will be able to see this screen and just click on next. No need of any customization. Just go with the default options, and with this you will be able to the installation. So uncheck this, finish. You can see this option now in the search box and see Git Bash over here. You can maximize this, and this is your Git Bash prompt. To start off with, you can use this basic command pwd, which stands for present working directory. It will tell you at which path you are currently. So I am at this path. We'll create a directory first using this mkdir command, mkdir my directory. To go into that directory, I will use cd command, cd my directory. To see the content of the directory, you can use ls-lrt. At the moment there are no files, so we'll create few using multiple options. Touch is the command which will create a empty file. Touch first file, and then you can also use cat, and then cat second file. Add the content into it using this is git bash, and then if you want to come out, just press ctrl d, and now you can see there are two files, and cat can also be used to see the content of the file. The first file is basically empty, the second file has this content. So these are the basic commands